Hey, this is Ben from Lover of Tech. We are at the Xiaomi event in UK and we are actually at the launch event and announcement of the Mi 8 Pro. So I've actually got hands-on with it and I wanted to actually talk you through some of the things that they talked about that was actually interesting to the product. So sit back and let's go through the Mi 8 Pro announcement. So the first thing that actually struck out to me when they actually announced the product was the price. This is coming in at £499 and this is really competitive in this market, and there's a lot on display here that's going to be really good and might be interesting as your next purchase. Xiaomi are kind of well known, they're still a fresh company, about 8 years old, and this phone is very interesting and very striking. First you're going to actually notice is the rear design of the phone. It's got this kind of transparent finish and it's really interesting what they're actually going on here, and it's actually clean, it feels very comfortable in the hand. Also the front of the display, they're using an AMOLED panel as well, and it's so far looking okay. I would actually like to test it more to see, but so far just based on first impressions as a 1080p panel, it's looking interesting. So the overall specifications of the device are really high end. You're looking at the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, also with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is really high. Another thing that is also not on there is the headphone jack. I think that's just a trend that's happening on the market. Also with the camera technology, you are looking at a dual 12 megapixel sensor. Also on top of that, you have a 20 megapixel front facing camera as well. It does record 4K 30 frames a second video. So we should get good performance. Again, I would like to test it to see how that would come out. It does support Quick Charge 4.0 as well. One thing that's interesting that is a nice clutch feature where we're seeing more of it regularly is the in-display fingerprint scanner. Now using it, the initial setup was a bit slower than I would like. It does work, but it's not as quick as I would have liked it to have been, but it is there. This is something that gives a nice clean design because there's no fingerprint scanner at the rear of the phone. It's inbuilt into the display, which you actually will see more of from different manufacturers. So it's great to see them do it on the Mi 8 Pro. In terms of the camera configuration, if you've used the Mi 8 before, this is pretty much similar to it, pretty much the same setup. There might be slight optimization, but we'll have to wait and see what it's actually going to offer once we test it out. You also have an advanced method of 3D facial unlocking, so very similar to what you saw with the Face ID on the iPhone, but this is really good because it adds a layer of security that does allow you to use it for payments and other methods of biometric, such as the in-display fingerprint scanner. So this is really good to see, and I like this. Different options, still keeping with a clean design. You do have a screen cutout notch, so in terms of how this will behave with the UI as well as apps, we'll have to wait and see. It's not something I'm necessarily a fan of, but it's part of the design of the phone to give as much screen real estate as possible. It is using a 6.21 Super AMOLED display, which is 1080p, and also giving that with a good screen to body ratio. So the immersiveness of the display should be taken into account with this one. So again, I would like to test it more to see how it is, but that is the display layout. Initial impressions is it doesn't seem to get as bright as I would like, but it does really look sharp, it is clear, and with the AMOLED you've got the contrast as well as the deep light and the colors that really pop. This is just a quick hands-on the show floor at the Xiaomi event in the UK. Tune in and subscribe to see more content. Hopefully we get more hands-on with this product. That's it for me. Catch you next time.